Linking your bank account to Stifel is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your investments and finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Access your Stifel account. Log into your Stifel account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to the funding section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Isort to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the funding section, look for the option to link a bank account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including the account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check these details for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm and complete. After entering your bank details, review the information and confirm the linking process. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the connection. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your Stifel account, allowing for seamless transactions and management of your investments.